portable lungs and manplusriver here.
Hey guys, last time I was here, I was using a full scuba setup and it weighed about 100 pounds. I've never used dive portable lungs, and so I'm super excited to give this a try. Very first time, favorite dive spot. This should be really awesome.
Somebody said their prayers for me. Woo! Check that out.
Good job, man. Alright you guys, Ben is a fan of my channel. On the same day we happen to meet at the same waterfall, and Ben is going to go ahead and jump off of the cliff right here. He's got his glasses on.
He's gonna lose them. Took his glasses off.
You can do it!
Alright.
Oh no!
Hey, get me real quick. He broke his glasses and he has to hike back a mile with no glasses. Is he going?
Yeah.
Dude, hey, when Ben jumped off the cliff, he broke his glasses. I just found his lens. I'm gonna go return it back to the owner right now. I never thought I'd be able to say I found the glasses lens and found the owner. But this isn't my lens. What?
How did you find that?
It was just sitting right down the bottom.
Perfect.
Little super glue.
Yeah. That's awesome.
Oh, save the day again. Instant gratification there.
Right?
Okay.
Alright guys, here we are at the very last spot of the day. Super awesome waterfall we just found. Usually when people jump off of the cliff, we'll be able to find some things. Let's take a look. That's crazy. We're trying to find the owner.
Okay, so what I decided with the phone is to leave it with Dallas, Oregon. I couldn't do anything with it. Hopefully he can maybe turn it on, get it to work, find the owner and return it. So we'll see how that works.
So Cameron definitely beat me today, but on a positive note, I did pull out multiple items of trash. So let's take a look at what we got. Got an old shoe. If anybody out there recognizes this shoe, I am more than happy to get it back to you, but I am going to ask for the size. So be aware of that. He found this awesome mask, sea dive. He found a shirt. Got myself a Gatorade. Look at how much buildup comes up on these things. I bet you this is only down there a couple of weeks. This water has a lot of calcium carbonate in it, and so it builds up on everything down there. So it makes it hard to kind of find stuff because everything has the same color. So you grab it out, and then all of a sudden you see a bright orange Gatorade, which I'll be drinking later. Beer, and we got a strap. And the best find of the day has to be this Samsung Galaxy S5. It's S5, right?
Yeah.
It looks like it hasn't been down there very long at all. There's not really any buildup on there. Not really much moisture in the flash or in the lens. I'm guessing this has only been down there several days. So I'm really hoping that we can get this turned back on. Cameron has to fly back to Oregon, but he's leaving this with me, so I'm gonna try to find the owner. So if we can find the owner, you'll see that in the next part of this video. What's up, guys? I've been letting this phone dry out for quite a long time. I had it in here. I've been told that rice does help to let it dry out. Haven't tried to turn it on yet, so we're gonna find out right now if this thing turns on. All right, here's the moment of truth. All right, it's plugged in. Ooh, I just heard, oh, check that out. Is it normally green like that? I use an iPhone, so, but it is turning on, so that's a good sign. All right, so the battery is charging. It's at 1% right now. I'm gonna go ahead and try to turn it on. Check that out. It's all green. Can you guys see that? Yeah, that's weird. So it's definitely not in perfect working order. I'm sure he has like some contacts and photos in here that will be worth it to him. I'm gonna stick the SIM card into an older phone. Hopefully I can find this guy's number though and make his day. We'll see what happens. I was able to find the guy's phone number, so let's go ahead and call that right now.
You have reached the voicemail box.
It's the next day right now. He just responded and he said we can give him a call.
Hello?
Hi, this is Dallas.
I'm Shayna.
Shayna?
I was on the waterfall skipping a rock. My phone was hanging out of my pocket and it went with the rock.
It does turn on, but the screen,
It does?
yeah, it does turn on. It's pretty crazy. I figured you'd probably want to get your pictures and stuff off of there. Are you ever in the Phoenix area?
Yeah, I don't know when I'm gonna be back.
Would you like it if I shipped it over to you?
Sure.
Okay, I'll ship it over.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you guys for watching again, and we'll see you on the next adventure.